Drink it up. Learn how to say drink in Hindi. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार। हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ 1 टेबल स्पून। आप सबको बहुत
Hi guys, welcome to day 9 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. I just want to say at this point, you guys are doing amazing. You're doing awesome. And I hope that you're really getting excited about learning Hindi, just taking 2 or maybe 5 minutes a day, not really investing a lot of time, but I imagine that you're really seeing some results and you're seeing some progress. So stick with it, keep practicing, and it's gonna start to make a whole lot more sense as you invest more time and more energy into learning new words and into doing more with the drills as well. So let's look at our vocabulary for today. We're gonna be building again on what we've already learned, and we're gonna learn another verb. And we're gonna be putting that verb into the same structure that we are already familiar with. So you'll start to understand how the grammar works a little bit more in depth. All right, our first word for today is pina, which means to drink. We're gonna drop the na and we'll be left with the root of the word, which is yes, P. It's kind of funny, but if that helps you to remember that P means to drink, well, then there you go. You've successfully remembered a Hindi word and you might have laughed about it a little bit. But P means to drink, and that's the root of the verb pina, and we're going to be using that in our grammar key today. Our second word of today is pani, which means water. Our final word of today is chai, which of course means tea or chai, which you probably already know. All right, let's look at our grammar key. It's basically the same structure as the sentence we've been using from the previous 2 days, but instead of the verb kana, to eat, we're going to be using the verb pina, to drink, along with our new vocabulary words. So, मैं पानी पीता हूँ. I, water, drink, am. I drink water. And remember that pani, our object, the thing that we are acting on, we are drinking, comes before our verb. So, मैं पानी पीता हूँ. And remember that we're using the masculine ending ta if we happen to be speaking as a man. As I am a man, I would say मैं पानी पीता हूँ. I drink water. It's something I do on a regular basis. So that's the present tense. मैं पानी पीता हूँ. I drink water. Now, if I were to say this same sentence as a woman, I would say, मैं पानी पीती हूँ. We would just use the feminine present ending, which is T. मैं पानी पीती हूँ. And we can also, of course, substitute our other vocabulary word for today, which is chai. मैं चाय पीती हूँ. If I were saying that as a woman, I drink chai. Now let's go on to drill it. We could create several different sentences, but here are some sentences that I suggest you start practicing. हाँ, मैं पानी पीती हूँ. Yes, I drink water. Speaking as a woman. हाँ, मैं चाय पीता हूँ. Yes, I drink chai. Speaking as a man. नहीं, मैं पानी नहीं पीता हूँ. No, I do not drink water. Speaking as a man. नहीं, मैं चाय नहीं पीती हूँ. No, I do not drink chai. Speaking as a woman. Now, you might get by okay if you don't drink chai, but you're probably not going to survive very long if you don't drink water. So I hope you drink plenty of water, stay safe, and come back tomorrow for more of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Thanks.